Ever felt like your AI assistant is just, okay? Like it can answer your questions, sure, but lacks that spark, that real understanding? You're not alone. Many people feel like their current AI experience is missing something. But what if I told you there's a new generation of AI out there, one that's smarter, more creative, and truly understands the nuances of human language? That's where Gemini comes in. Gemini is Google's latest and most advanced AI model. Think of it as the next evolution in artificial intelligence. It's been trained on a massive dataset of text and code, allowing it to perform a wide range of tasks, from answering your questions with incredible accuracy to generating creative content like stories, poems, and even music. But here's the thing, Gemini isn't just another AI. It's designed to be more helpful, more informative, and more engaging than anything you've experienced before. It can understand and respond to your requests in a more nuanced way, capturing the subtleties of human language like never before. So, you're probably wondering, how do I get my hands on this amazing technology? Well, I'm here to guide you through the process of enabling Gemini and unlocking its full potential. Step 1. Check for compatibility. Gemini is currently being rolled out gradually. To see if it's available to you, you'll need to check if your device or platform is compatible. For Android users, open the Google app. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Go to Settings and then About. Look for Gemini under Version. If it's listed there, congratulations. You have access. For iOS users, open the Google app. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Go to Settings and then About. Look for Gemini under Version. If it's listed there, you're good to go. For other platforms, keep an eye on Google's official channels for announcements regarding Gemini availability on your specific device or platform. Step 2. Update your Google app, if necessary. Even if you have a compatible device, make sure you have the latest version of the Google app installed. Open the Play Store, Android, or App Store, iOS. Search for Google and tap Update. Step 3. Start using Gemini. Once you've confirmed compatibility and updated your app, you can start using Gemini right away. Simply open the Google app and ask it a question. You'll notice a significant improvement in the quality and depth of the responses. Showcase Gemini's capabilities with engaging examples. Hey Google, write a short story about a cat who goes on an adventure. Show the AI's creative output a short, engaging story. Hey Google, explain quantum mechanics in simple terms. Show the AI's ability to explain complex topics concisely and understandably. Hey Google, translate this sentence into Spanish. Demonstrate the AI's translation capabilities. Hey Google, suggest some healthy dinner recipes. Highlight the AI's practical applications in everyday life. Address potential issues and troubleshooting. What if Gemini isn't available yet? Don't worry. Google is gradually rolling out Gemini to more users. Keep checking for updates and you'll be notified as soon as it becomes available to you. I'm experiencing issues with Gemini. What should I do? Try restarting your device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. If the problem persists, try clearing the Google Apps cache and data. If none of these solutions work, contact Google support for assistance. Expand on Gemini's potential and future implications. Gemini represents a significant leap forward in AI technology. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with information, learn new things, and even create. Imagine a world where AI can truly understand and respond to your needs in a personalized and meaningful way. With Gemini, that future is closer than ever before. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.